Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to be making a DIY miniature beach. This video was inspired by NimC. I thought it was so cute and I thought it would be so much fun to do it today. If you want to see her video, a link will be in the description box. But first, if you're new to my channel, then hi, I'm Alina, and before we get on to the video, remember to hit that red subscribe button, and if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Let's get started. So to make this mini beach, we're going to need a activator that has two sections. I found this one at the dollar store. So we're going to have this side be the water, and this side be the sand. So to make the water, I'm going to make a clear blue slime. If you don't want to do this, you can also just use water. So first I'm just going to pour some clear glue into the container. Now to give it a nice color, I'm going to add some blue food coloring. Now add water and mix. Now it's time to activate the slime. If you want my activator recipe, it'll be in the description box down below. Remember to add this slowly. We do not want a stiff slime. Then just keep adding the activator until it's the consistency you like. When it gets to this consistency, you can take it out and work it with your hands. This slime turned out really nice. Now because the slime isn't clear right away, I'm going to keep it in an airtight container for about a week until all the air bubbles disappear. So it has been about a week and now the slime is all clear. Now you're going to need some sand. I got this sand from a park, and make sure you sift it out really good. You can sift it out with a strainer. Now just pour it into the second compartment. Now to make the beach chair, I'm going to be using some popsicle sticks. So now I'm just going to be using a Lego person to measure how big to make the chair. You want to make it just as long as the Lego person. Now to make the backrest, I'm going to cut a smaller piece. Now cut two skinny strips for the legs. So these are the pieces you're going to need. This is going to be for the bed, these are going to be for the legs, and this is going to be for the backrest. So now we're going to hot glue them all in place. So this is what it should look like when it's all glued in. Now I'm going to put this really cute miniature umbrella in the sand. So now I have this super cute miniature Lego shell, and I'm going to add this to the beach as well. Now we're going to add the chair we made. I'm going to be using Lego people, but you can use anything you want. Now I have this super adorable dog. And finally we have one more person, and I found this super cute Lego mini inner tube, and I'm going to use this as well. Now just put everything in place and it's time to play. So this is what it looks like when it's all done. I think it turned out super cute. I noticed that the Legos kind of start to sink in the slime. I love playing with this mini beach. It is so much fun. is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I sure did, and I think that beach is so much fun to play with. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. But before I go, I just wanted to say I am really excited. I just got an Instagram, so if you guys would like to check that out, it's alinkaloo.crafts. And it will be all about this YouTube channel, so if you'd like to follow me on that, then go ahead and check that out. Just so you guys know, I post on Wednesdays and Saturdays, so if you check on those days, I should have a new video out. Bye! See you guys next week!